So now it's Ryobi's turn. Gonna go out there and trim those limbs. Because they're starting to overhang, and have some fun with it. It's a good idea to have a hard hat on with a screen, of course, so nothing gets in your eyes. So here we go. Always remember to move your guard. And oh, gotta stop, that's loose. And if you're gonna service your chain, make sure you, first of all, put the guard back on. This is very important when you're gonna service your chain on that bar. Remove your battery. Got my oil. Battery is disconnected. Now to service the chain. It's always a good idea to check your oil level, because you want the oil. Yeah, the oil is a little low. Okay, it's a little low right there, so I'll add some bar oil, bar and chain oil. Right now, I'm going to service this. What I do is take this out. That's how I do it, in case you got to clear any debris. All right, and in case I have any debris, I bring a toothbrush, brush your teeth. But I use it to brush around there. Okay, and then just tighten it a little bit. There we go. Put that back on. A lot of mosquitoes today, so that's still a little loose. I'm gonna go a little tighter on that. Loosen that a little bit. Okay, so you want it to be about like this. There are mosquitoes. That, tighten this up. Oh, the mosquitoes come get me now. And you want to also rotate your chain on the bar to make sure you got good movement. It's not binding up. So that's good. All right, this is good to go. Put our power source back on here. Oops. All right. And oh yeah, the oil. Can't forget the oil. So I know it's tedious to have to remove your battery, but you want to save your fingers for the jet ski throttle, okay? Now we need oil. So I got a big 1 gallon of Power Care bar and chain oil, and I fill the little Ryobi. Came in the kit, so it's easier to add chain oil. There's a smaller container. Whoa. Okay, that's full. Cap back on. Check for any debris. You don't want that going inside your equipment. Alright, now let's try this all over again. Put the battery pack on. So it's 102 degrees out here. reach like that, it's better to unstrap yourself in case you gotta have an escape route and run. That branch is coming down on you. So I just unstrap and go. Before you get too carried away, always make sure you clear up some debris here. You got an escape hatch, escape route, you gotta run. Okay. And limbs look always smaller when they're in a tree, but when they hit the ground, they're actually bigger than they appear. So you might think you're clear and safe, but that thing is like long. Okay, couple over here. Okay, just want to remind you, it is 102 degrees out here. When you're done, put the guard back on. Pick the bar, pick the chain. All right. Let's see how much oil we used up here. Because, yeah, see? It's right about there, it's halfway. When it goes down, that's when things go wrong and get heated up. So make sure you always have lubrication or chain oil in that reservoir. All right. Have a great day, everyone.